The Community Food Basket, commonly known as the Ottawa Food Pantry, was formed with the cooperation of United Way agencies and local churches in 1997. The Community Food Basket officially opened in May of 1998 and was an umbrella agency of United Way until June of 1999. In 1999, the Community Food Basket became a separate 501c3 corporation. The Community Food Basket has remained steadfast in their mission to unite the community in a cooperative effort to feed those in need in a spirit of love and compassion. They provide food at no cost to persons and/or families who are unable to provide their basic requirements and are in need of nutritional assistance. The demographics give a quick look at our Ottawa population. Ottawa's population is roughly 18,000, with a racial breakdown of approximately 80% white, 10% Hispanic, and 4% Black. To understand the citizens they serve at the pantry, let's take a closer look and analyze these numbers. The overall poverty rate for Ottawa is roughly 16 to 17%. That means approximately 1 out of every 6 residents lives in poverty. The median household income is $51,288. The per capita income in 2019 dollars is $28,612. The unemployment rate hovers around 6%. The number of persons living in a household between 2015 and 2019 is 2.27 people. This includes children. As you can see, more females live in poverty than males, and the overwhelming majority of those living in poverty by age are children below the age of 17. A whopping 72% of those living in poverty are children. 28% of those living in poverty are over 60. Only 15% of those living in poverty are deemed of working age, 18 to 59 years old. A one-person household is living in poverty if the monthly income is $1,986 a month or less. For each additional person in the household, add $700 a month. Here's an example. A household of 2 people would have a monthly income of $2,686 or $32,232 a year or less to be considered living at or below the poverty threshold. When the income into the household needs to pay for shelter, food, utilities, clothing, some type of transportation, medical care, school expenses when children are in the household, it becomes impossible to manage without outside assistance. The Community Food Basket is Ottawa's community helping those individuals and families who, for whatever reason, need that helping hand, especially the children and retired folks in our community. The Community Food Basket also has included Grand Ridge, Marseilles, Serena, and Sheridan into the service area. Individuals and families can use the services of the pantry, and these communities also support the pantry through donations and community involvement. The Community Food Basket has several avenues for distribution to those needing assistance. The Client Choice Distribution allows clients to shop at the pantry in a similar way that they would shop at a supermarket. The services supplement their monthly food needs and are not expected to fill their entire monthly needs. Every client leaves the pantry with frozen meat, fresh produce, canned packaged items, dairy products, eggs, and bread. The pantry is open 4 days a week with morning hours on 2 days and late afternoon hours on 2 days. The hours of operation is intended to be available and accommodating to the working clients of the Community Food Basket. Many of the clients with children in the household visit the pantry twice a month. There is a special fund designed to provide milk, dairy products, and eggs that benefit the needs of children. The original Milk Fund was created by Brad Hughes and is currently managed by Mayor Dan Awesome. The mobile distributions are scheduled once a month on a Saturday morning. The drive-through distribution is held at the 1050 Hospital Parking Garage and sponsored by Riverbend Food Bank, and it's hosted and staffed by volunteers of the Community Food Basket. Each year since 2017, the pantry provides a special Thanksgiving distribution in November. The pantry distributes frozen turkeys along with the fixins to assist clients as they prepare a family dinner in their homes. Over 400 turkeys were distributed this past Thanksgiving. The Community Food Basket initiated a home delivery service in cooperation with the LaSalle County Housing Authority. These clients are infirm and unable to visit the food pantry for assistance. The high-rises include Fox, Doherty, and Ravlin. We began the pilot program in August of 2021 during the pandemic and worked through the LaSalle County Housing Authority to identify those residents that meet criteria for this home delivery service. How do we provide services? The food pantry operates largely with volunteers. The volunteers are the heartbeat of the pantry operation. No task is too big or too small. They sort products, assist clients with daily distributions, assist with mailings, drive the truck and van for food pickups locally, and to the Bloomington Normal Midwest Food Bank, assist with high-rise distributions, help keep the micro pantry stocked, and help in fundraising efforts. In addition, the Community Food Basket has paid office staff for a full-time director, a part-time warehouse manager, and a part-time bookkeeper. When the pandemic hit, many of our volunteers were hesitant to volunteer, so Community Food Basket hired 4 part-time temporary staff to assist in the operation. During the pandemic, the pantry continued providing services to the public through drive-through distributions, as most pantries did throughout the country. How is the pantry funded with money and food product? Riverbend Food Bank is the primary source of food product for the Community Food Basket. Purchases come directly from their warehouse. Both USDA commodity shipments and Feeding America donations from local grocery stores are administered through Riverbend. The pantry picks up food donations from local grocery stores, Walmart, Kroger, Aldi, and Thornton's several times a week. Midwest Food Bank is an additional source of food product. A volunteer drives the pantry truck to pick up pallets of food approximately twice a month. Community food donations are an additional source of stocking the pantry. Various local organizations and church groups donate food product as well as cash donations. The pantry continues to partner with various businesses such as Handy Foods, Tyson, and Clover Technologies. The Ottawa Community Food Pantry benefits from 2 major fundraisers during the year. The annual appeal mailing. Letters are sent to residents in the service area requesting a donation to help with food purchases and operations. The annual Freezin' for a Reason. This event is sponsored by WCMY Radio along with Handy Foods and Stevenson Transfer. Other forms of donations come from foods donated by local school challenges. Food is then gathered and sorted by volunteers in the old Peltier warehouse, which is owned by the City of Ottawa. Also, donations come from personal monetary gifts given as memorials in honor of an individual. These donations round out the funding needs to keep the Community Food Basket's commitment to its mission. The pantry has been blessed with many years of support from the Ottawa community. As the need has grown, so has the generosity of the people of Ottawa. We feel the compassion for those less fortunate. We thank you for your continued support and invite you to contact us to clarify and answer any questions you may have.